Hey guys, so I finally sat down and filmed my entire wash day routine. Now this video will be broken up into 3 separate videos just because my wash day typically takes all day long and is super detailed, but I'm starting off with my detangling process followed by my wash day routine and then my blow dryer and flat iron method. So if you guys are interested, continue to keep watching. Hey guys, so y'all, it took me forever to get this video out and y'all were eating me up, but this video is finally done. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. You guys should have already seen my detangling video followed by my wash routine video. If you haven't, I will leave a link below and I'll try to pin one up in the cards above so you guys can go ahead and check that out. So this is just the continuation of the wash routine, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Now the product that you just seen me spray on my section is the Curlsmith Miracle Shield Heat Protector. I went ahead and I applied that all over the section. Then I'm going to further detangle using my unbrush. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my BioSilk Light serum and just apply that all over the section. You guys want to use this product very lightly, and I will show you why I say that, but definitely be sure that you're not using too much of that product because yeah, y'all. But now I'm going in with my Dyson Airwrap blow dryer, and I do have the brush attachment on there, and I'm just going to brush through my hair until it's completely dry, and this is what my hair looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat what you just see me do. Firstly, I'm going to go ahead and spritz down my hair using my Curlsmith Miracle Shield Heat Protectant, following that up with my BioSilk Silk Therapy Light Serum. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush through it using my unbrush, and then go ahead and dry that section using my Dyson Airwrap dryer with the brush attachment. And this is what my hair looks like. Yes, I do need a trim, and yes, Alicia will be giving me one. But I'm going to go ahead and finish up my hair, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So after a whole hour, I'm finally finished. This is what my hair looks like. Just going to do a really quick length check, and I actually prefer the blown out look of my hair. This is typically how I wear my hair. I usually never flat iron my hair, like ever, unless I get it done at like a salon. However, this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for bed. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I was so tired. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to deal with it tomorrow. So I just use my little silk wrap. Go ahead and apply that to my head, and good night, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is the very next day, and y'all, I love the way my hair looks when it's blown out and it has like a little bit of texture. It looks so good. Like, I typically do not like my hair super bone straight because my hair looks super thin. Yeah, don't like my hair bone straight unless I'm getting it done for a trim, but for the most part, the blown out look is what I prefer. So Alicia, she applied a little bit of that serum to my hair, and like I said before, a little goes a long way. She probably shouldn't have applied any. You guys are going to quickly see why in a little bit. However, she is using our Sotra flat iron, and we've had this flat iron for like 10 years now. This is like the only flat iron that we use and trust on our natural hair. It does not give us any heat damage whatsoever, and it gets our hair super straight. So she's doing 1 pass per section, and she's relatively going pretty slow, just to assure that my hair is getting pretty straight. And yeah, she's going to continue to work her way up. And like I was mentioning before about the serum, she is going to apply a drop or two to each section, and it is going to definitely weigh my hair down, and my hair is going to look really greasy. As I was saying before, a little goes a long way. If you apply the serum to your wet hair, that's probably all you need. You may want to use a different heat protector. I really don't know which one to recommend. However, applying it to each section is definitely unnecessary because it really did weigh down my hair. It made it look greasy and stringy, and you guys are going to see with the final result. Needless to say, Alicia is just going to work through my hair, getting it straightened, and yeah, let's go ahead and finish, and we'll see you guys once we're done. So this is when she noticed that my hair was looking kind of greasy and weighed down. So she's then going to take this dry shampoo and spray it all over my hair, and it kind of worked, but for the most part it was still kind of greasy, y'all. But everything that I'm using throughout this video I will post in case you guys may be interested. But see, now I told her just go ahead and just trim my hair, but I didn't even realize that she was dusting my hair. Like I was like, you can cut more, it's fine. But she was literally dusting my hair. She was just kind of like, look, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional. You need to go see a professional, but I'll do what I feel comfortable doing. So she literally just dusted my hair. But I am going to go to a professional and then have them actually trim my hair. So for the most part, this is what my natural hair looks like. It's healthy, it's growing, it's thriving, and I am super pleased with it. Now, if you guys want to see some more natural hair videos, definitely let us know. Alicia, she is filming a few videos right now, so in case you guys might be interested in her natural hair routine, definitely let me know as well. She is doing like wash and goes and twist outs, and I do plan on doing some as well. I also have some natural hair videos doing my son's hair. You guys haven't seen him in a while, but he does have locks now, and I'm going to attempt to do his hair. So if you guys are interested, let us know, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.